in this part we're going to take a look at multiple initializations in assembly. Okay, so you remember we talked of the times. Okay, we saw the times directive. Okay, in previous parts. Okay, if you watched them. Okay, so the times directive allows multiple initializations to the same value. Okay, for example, you can have an array named max of size 9. Let's virtualize that one. Okay, let me show you here. Let me show you that example here. I think I have it, and it's right here. Okay, it's right here. Okay, there, right there. Okay, so here we have an array named max. Okay, an array named max of size, of a certain size, of size 9, and can be defined and initialized to 0, which is this one, using the times keyword or directive. Okay, like that. Okay, so the times directive is useful in defining arrays and tables. Okay, so let us take a look at an example where we can print 9 stars. Okay, so in this example right here, we are going to be printing 9 stars. I think you saw this example somewhere or in the start. Okay, so here, as you can see, you know very well section.txt text, you know it very well. Then here, global main, we can change main, we can use underscore start if we want. Okay, and here, as you can see, we are moving 9, which is the length of our message, into edx, and then we are moving, or we are moving the address of stars into ECX. Okay, and from there we are moving 1 into EBX, and you know that 1 is a file descriptor for standard out. Okay, for standard output. Then here we move 4 into EAX, and then we are calling our kernel to execute those instructions, and then we are moving 1 into EAX. Okay, which is the system call number for exiting, and then we call our kernel like that. Okay, and then here, as you can see down here, we're using our times keyword or times directive. Okay, and as you can see, if we use it, we are going. So this is our variable stars. Okay, this is our array. So when we execute that, we are going to get 9 stars out. Okay, I think you know how we can compile using NASM. Okay, so you should use the NASM assembler. Okay.